All right, guys. So you can just try this question and you can resume the video to look at the solution. Okay, guys. So a tank has an inlet pipe and an outlet pipe. If the outlet pipe is closed, then the inlet pipe fills the empty tank in 8 hours. If the outlet pipe is open, then the inlet pipe fills the empty tank in 10 hours. If only the outlet pipe is open, then in how many hours the full tank becomes half full? So the question is mentioning that there is an inlet pipe and an outlet pipe. Let's call the inlet as I1 and let's call the outlet here as O1. If the outlet pipe is closed, then the inlet pipe fills the empty tank in 8 hours, meaning the inlet working alone can fill the tank in 8 hours. Okay. Also, if the outlet pipe is open, then the inlet pipe fills the empty tank in 10 hours. What they're trying to say is the inlet and the outlet together work for 10 hours and the pipe gets filled in 10 hours. Okay. Now, if only the outlet pipe is open, then in how many hours the full tank becomes half full? Our very standard approach of time and work, we take the LCM of 8 and 10, that is the work done. So LCM of 8 and 10 should be 40. Let us suppose that 40 units of work is getting performed. Okay, if 40 units of work gets performed in 8 hours, what is the efficiency of the inlet pipe? The efficiency of the inlet pipe is 40 divided by 8. That is 5 units per hour. Similarly, it takes 10 hours for the tank to get filled when inlet and outlet both are working together. The efficiency can be found as the work done upon the time, that is 10 hours. That will be 4 units per hour. Okay, now the inlet alone works at the rate of 5 units per hour. With the help of the outlet, the efficiency drops to 4. So what is the efficiency of the outlet alone? It is basically 4 minus 5, that is minus 1 unit per hour, right? So now the outlet can completely empty the full tank at what rate? So now the outlet is working at the rate of 1 unit per hour. That's what we have found. The question is, in how many hours the full tank becomes half full if only the outlet pipe is open? So if only the outlet pipe is open, the tank capacity we have assumed is 40 units. Half of that is 20. So 20 units would be emptied at the rate of 1 unit per hour. Okay, 1 unit per hour. The time taken would be 20 upon 1. That is minus 20 hours. Minus 20 because the tank is getting emptied. So the tank becomes half full when 20 hours would have passed if the outlet pipe is alone. And that's your answer, option 1.